Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths class. Today, we will learn about number 11. Yes, E L E V E N 11. It is the next number after number 10. Look at this picture and count the objects. Yes, in this picture there are 11 balls are in the park. Children are playing with balls. Eleven balls. Let's see some more examples. 11 spoons on a table. 11 toy cars in a room. 'Children, in this lesson, we learned about balls. You all love to play with balls. Do you know what will happen if you throw a ball in the swimming pool? Will it sink or float? Yes, ball will float on the water. Count the footballs in this picture. How many balls are there? Right, there are 11 balls. Let's learn to write number 11. We can write it in numbers and in words. You can see the red dot. Place your pencil on red dot and move it on the other dots. It is very easy. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.